History was never just humans. Humans built the temples, fought the wars, sailed the ships, buried the kings, started the plagues, made the speeches, made the mistakes. And through all of it, the cats were there, watching quietly, judging, sometimes helping, sometimes surviving, sometimes causing problems. No one wanted to admit we're absolutely cat-related. Welcome to Cats Explain History. This is history told from the point of view of the cats who saw it happen. The temple cats, the ship cats, the palace cats, the graveyard cats, the cats sitting in the corner while humans made decisions that would change everything. Because cats were not just background decoration. In ancient Egypt, they were sacred, protected, mummified by the millions, tied to goddesses, death, worship, and power. On ships, they were working animals, mousers, survivors, tiny, furry crew members with better instincts than half the people on board. In cities, they moved through streets during plagues, fires, wars, and disasters. Not as heroes in the way humans tell stories, more like witnesses, silent ones, the kind who saw everything and said nothing. Until now. On this channel, we take real history, strange folklore, and true cat stories, and tell them from the cat's point of view. Some stories are funny, some are dark, some are weird, some sound completely made up until you find out they actually happened. Like a cat who survived 3 shipwrecks, a cat who seemed to know when nursing home patients were near the end, ancient Egyptians who mourned cats like family, Scottish legends about black cats stealing souls, and battlefield stories where one army's greatest weakness may have been its love of cats. Humans have been telling history for a very long time. They've told it through kings, generals, priests, pirates, presidents, pharaohs. But honestly, a lot of those people made terrible choices. And somewhere nearby, there was probably a cat watching the whole thing happen, blinking slowly, knocking something off a table, and thinking, this is exactly why I don't trust humans. That's the heart of Cats Explain History. Real stories, real history, a little mystery, a little attitude. So if you like history with a little darkness, a little humor, and a lot of cats, you're in the right place. And if you love cats and want to understand what they're thinking in real life, check out my other channel, Feline Logic, where I talk about cat behavior, psychology, communication, trust, stress, play, and all the tiny things your cat has been trying to tell you. But here, this is where the cats tell the stories. Welcome to Cats Explain History. Follow along, and let's hear history from the cat's point of view.